Dang, USPS, you gonna get there. You gonna get there, girl. What is up, my peoples, man? Today, man, we're gonna go for a nice little, what I like to call a fall tour ride, man. I wanted to do this last year, but I could not get around to getting up here and hitting these scenic routes, man, and just taking in the beautiful sights of Michigan. But now y'all, I'm out here. So I'm gonna go for, I would say quick, but it's not even quick. I'm going for like, what? I'm probably gonna do about I say about 200 miles today, man. Just doing a nice little 200-mile rip around Michigan and just, you know, just exploring, man. That's why you get bikes, so you can get out here in these roads and put everything behind you and just explore and venture out. So it's almost October, y'all. Almost October, and in Michigan, the trees start to change. Up in the UP first, they start changing first, and then it goes into central Michigan, they start turning, and then all the way down to lower Michigan, like the Detroit area, Lansing area. So I figured, you know, I gotta strike while the iron's hot, man. The trees are already turning up in the northern peninsula, so I'm headed that way, man, and we gonna see. And it's gonna give me an opportunity to get some dope cinematic drone shots. So that's the main mission. Need some dope scenery and some dope drone shots. And man, y'all just sit back, man. Let's do this. Time to get some gas, people. Time to get some gas, because she gonna be thirsty today. So, man, here we go. Can't even get this gas tank open. I remember when it was brand new, man, this thing would just pop up. Now you're stuck like Chuck. Come on, bruh. Come on. There we go. Yeah, that springing is real weak, y'all. Have to figure out something for this over the winter, man. All right, y'all, we all filled up. We ready to hit it. Off to Hale, Michigan, man. So Hale, Michigan will be the beginning of my route, and once I get there, I'll show y'all the route I plan on going, man. I've never been to Hale, Michigan, so this is gonna be interesting to see what's out there, which I imagine not much. I imagine not much at all. So we'll see. Y'all, we are creeping up on Hale, Michigan. I just saw the sign, man. We're getting close. We're about 3 minutes away to being in the city. Then I'm gonna pull over real quick and get our little next destination, man. And we on the way. On the way, people. A lot of cows back there.
Turn right on Main Street.
There's the gas station I was looking for. Alright, so yeah. We'll pull right up here somewhere. Since I felt like the town ain't that big.
You've arrived at your destination.
Boom. Let's go, baby. Alright, y'all. So I think I got my route. We are in Hale, Michigan, on our way to Oscoda. I want to see what this dope scenic route we're about to go on. I'll put the link below, or not the link, but I'll put the name in the description of the scenic route, man, because I'm terrible with names, as y'all seen from my recent videos. So, hey, man, let's get it popping. Let's get it popping. So I got no cell phone service here, or reception, man. My cell phone reception is kind of trash. So I'm using good old Harley navigation, man. Let's see how she do. Get a little Young Joe shoulder lean. The bear store. Oh, snaps. There was bears back there. That's very interesting. Hey, Shasta, I'm gonna need you to stop kicking dirt in my face. You're putting it all in my face. You're messing up all the camera game, bruh. Damn, Shasta. This map make me feel like I'm going in the wrong direction because it's going that way, but I'm going this way. I wonder if I can rotate that. There we go. Look at you, Hosty. You did it. There we go. Now we bought some. So what's this? National Forest Campground, huh? Rollway Resort. Let's just peek over there and see if we see national. It shows you by some water. I didn't see none. Cancel. That doggone thing. Oh, let's go right here. Scenic Overlook. We gotta go. If it's a scenic overlook, if you don't go in there and look, let's just see what it's talking about. Oh, I guess I'm not the only one who thought about this. Scenic Overlook. All right, y'all. We might have to walk down there, man, and go take a peek, man. So what I'm gonna do? Oh. Trying to figure out if I can lay the bike down real quick. Hey, man, let's just go walk down there real quick. I'm gonna leave y'all running, that way if somebody looking creepy, y'all can let me know. Let's see if we see something nice down there. River Road National Forest Scenic Highway. How's it going? That's kind of nice. It got bathrooms. Let's see if we got a spot where we can throw the drone up, man, because this is beautiful back here. Let's take a look here. Oh, hey, man, stop breathing so heavy. All right. Oh, snap, son. Yes. We gotta throw her up. Yo, this is dope. Yeah, let me grab the drone, y'all.